Hi everybody, Chris with Cheyenne Air Gunner, and I got a box opener. I do. Let's see what we got here. Maybe it's something I can work on. See what we can get going. Here we go. Oh, dang it, popcorn. Man, oh man. You know how much I like these things. Dang it. Let me see what I can do. Get them all in the trash can before they go everywhere. There we go. Now, there's our prize right there. Let's see what happened there. Well, I didn't get popcorn everywhere, or peanuts, or whatever people call them. Packing peanuts. Yippee! Got me an E. Sheridan Model E. Let me make sure. Yeah. Model E series. Kind of wore out down there. It's hard to see. Look at that broken handle. That's okay. That's all right. Let's see if it shoots. You want to see, guys? Let's check it out. Let me see if I'll get us a cartridge in. I got us some Sheridan pellets right there. Let me get a CO2 real quick. Do I have any over there? Nope. There we go. Let's see. I'm gonna put a drop of. Let's put some. There's some of my pelican oil. There it is. Put a drop of that on there. Because it hasn't been. I don't know. Yeah, it might have been shot before. Let's just put a little drop right there on that. Pelican oil. Just a smidgen, not too much. Okay. I like this little needle. I got it in a Beeman cleaning kit. So let's try and see what happens. See if it does any good. I brought two just in case it just pops and it's done. Okay, here we go. Turn it back a little. Let's see. It might need a shot. Let me try it. That didn't sound right. Didn't sound bad, but it didn't sound good. Let's see. There we go. Let's take one pellet. Let you guys see my target if you want to see it right there. Yeah. Right there. Ooh. Hard hitter. She's a hard hitter. I'm going to see if I can't find, I don't know if anybody, I like to make, well, see if we can. Just looks like somebody tightened it too tight. You know what I mean? They tighten that screw just a little too tight. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have two cameras, or if I did, so you could see that. But I'm just trying some of the old Sheridan. They're just refills. I just refill them. I don't think they're originals. Let's see what happens. I'll go for a bullseye. Not bad. She's a hard shooter. It sounds good for sure. So I thought maybe I'd have to, let's check the safety, see if the safety works. Safety does work. Let's see. Yeah. The see that? You guys can't. But see that right there? It's kind of. I'm gonna try to shoot another one here. See if we can't get another one down the pipe. I'll try for that. Nope, she's just shooting low. That's all right. I'm kind of close. It's not too far actually from here. But let's see how long she'll hold there, and then. But that was my new box opener. Definitely got to get a new grip. Kind of wonder why Sheridan didn't make these out of wood. You know, you wouldn't think back in them days that they'd be that cheap that they couldn't make the handles out of wood instead of that plastic. All right, everybody. Thank you for everything. I'm out.